To cash out from Cash App to Apple Pay, you need to have both apps installed on your device and be familiar with their basic functions. First, open the Cash App and tap on the Balance tab. Then select Cash Out and choose the amount you want to transfer. You can choose the speed of the transfer, either standard or instant. Standard transfers are free and take 2 to 3 business days, while instant transfers come with a small fee and are completed immediately. After selecting the transfer speed, you will be prompted to link your Apple Pay account or select it as the destination for the funds. If you have not already linked Apple Pay, you will be asked to sign in with your Apple ID and authenticate the transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, the funds will be deposited into your Apple Pay account, where you can use them for purchases, send them to friends or family, or transfer them to your bank account. To avoid any potential issues, make sure your Apple Pay account is active and verified, and that you have sufficient funds in your Cash App account to cover the transfer amount and any applicable fees. It is also important to note that instant transfers may be subject to a small fee, typically a percentage of the transfer amount, and that standard transfers may take longer to process during weekends and holidays. By following these steps and being aware of the potential fees and processing times, you can easily transfer funds from Cash App to Apple Pay and enjoy the convenience of using your funds for various transactions.